In this problem, we have to find the force in each member of the truss, and also we have to state whether the members are in tension or compression. So in this truss at the joint E, we have a roller joint, and at point F we have a pin joint, and at the joint A we are given a force of 130 pound. So if we take the joint A and then we use the equilibrium conditions so that in the vertical direction we have the force in member AC with perpendicular over hypotenuse of a triangle which is 4 over 5, and also the 130-pound force with perpendicular over hypotenuse. So we have the force in member AC which is 150 pounds, and you see that the force in this member is in compression. And also, if we apply forces in the horizontal direction, then we have the force in the member AB, the 150-pound force in member AC with base over hypotenuse, which is 3 over 5, and also the 130-pound force, which is with base over hypotenuse. So we get the force in member AB, which is 140 pound. And you see that the force in this member produces tension. So if we take the joint B, so in the horizontal direction, we have the force in member BD and also a negative 140 pound force. So it means the force in member BD is 140 pound, and you see this force produces tension. And in the vertical direction, we only have force in the member BC, so it is equal to 0. So if we have the joint C, it means we have 4 members. So in the vertical direction, we have the force in member CD with perpendicular over hypotenuse, which is 4 over 5, and also 4 over 5 multiply the force in member AC, which is 150 pounds. So the force in the member CD is 150 pounds, and this force produces tension. And in case of the horizontal direction, we have the force in the member CE in the opposite direction plus 150-pound force with base over hypotenuse, and also 150-pound force in the member CD. And also we have base over hypotenuse. So we have the force in member CE, which is 180 pound, and this force also produces compression in the member. And if I have a member, 4 members and a joint D, so it means in the vertical direction, I have the force in member DE and the 150-pound force in the member DC with perpendicular over hypotenuse. So the force in member DE is 120 pounds, and this member is in compression. And in case of the horizontal direction forces, I have negative 140-pound force, the force in member DF, and also the force in the member CD. And I have base over hypotenuse, which is 3 over 5. So force in member DF is 230 pounds, and you see this force produces tension. And at joint E, I have a roller joint, and 3 members are connected with this joint. So it means in the horizontal direction, I have a 180-pound force in the member C, and the force in the member EF with base over hypotenuse, which is 3 over 5. So the force in member EF is 300 pounds. And you see this force produces compression in the member.